my God, look at that. That is bright. Can you guess which one is the Lasfit T3 series and which one is the OEM Subaru? You guys already know which one it is. This is bright. Right there, that is the Lasfit T3 series LED light. That is extremely bright. And then we go over here to the OEM Subaru light. It's not as bright. That's crazy. What a big difference, guys. How's it going, guys? Dallas here. This is my wife's 2025 Subaru Forester Premium. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the turn signal. And yes, change the turn signal light bulb on this brand new 2025 Subaru Forester. We have a upgraded headlight unit, but they still provided halogen turn signal light bulbs. So I went ahead and got myself the T3 series light bulb by Lasfit, because I have the same exact T3 series light bulb in my 2023 Tundra, and I'm pretty impressed with it. So, and we have no issues the last couple of years, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same for my wife's car. I'm going to tell you this, the install for these turn signal lights, it's probably going to be the easiest install you'll ever do in your life, and I'm telling you, it's pretty damn easy. Anybody can do it. You honestly don't even need any type of tools at all, just common sense and this video to watch. All right, so before we begin, I'm going to show you what it looks like before. Turn on these hazards. And that's what it looks like right now. So not terrible, but I believe you guys are going to see the difference when we put these Lasfit T3 series and switch them out. Here is the Lasfit T3 series LED light. Pretty standard, but it's just specifically made for our 2025 Subaru Forester. All right, so the first thing you want to do is, of course, have your hood open. And the second thing you want to do is identify where the turn signal light bulb is. And as you can see right here, that's exactly where it is. You don't need any tools. You don't need to take this headlight unit out. You don't have to uninstall anything other than just the light bulb. And if you guys couldn't see it from that angle, I brought it here closer just to show you guys exactly where it's at. So here's the actual headlight unit right here, and it's literally right there. So all you're going to have to do is twist as so. Show you guys one more time. Sorry if my hands are in the way. All you're going to do is twist this right here counterclockwise, and that's it. That's literally it. So the light bulb is free, counterclockwise, and pull. And if your car was running previously before that and your lights are on, it'll be a little warmer. So just be careful if it is a little hot. You're going to go ahead and pull that out and gently pull the light bulb out. Pull the light bulb out as so, and be mindful that this cord isn't as long. All right, so after you pull the light bulb out directly from under here, the cord itself, or the wire itself to the light bulb, isn't that long. And just to remove it, as I said earlier, I'm just giving you guys a couple different angles. You're just going to go ahead and pull this out and just pull it straight out. And that's it. There's no real playroom for this, so just be mindful when pulling this light bulb out. But that's it. We do have the halogen light out, and we're going to go ahead and grab our T3 series lights right here. So this is the T3 series light by Lasfit, and this is the OEM, light by Subaru. So you can see a pretty big difference on that, and don't worry about it. If it's double the size, the light will still fit in the turn signal housing. So we're going to go ahead and install that light for you. I almost lost it. Well, it's pretty simple. You're just going to go ahead and insert it. And once you hear that click, you're good to go. And before you actually put the light bulb back, you're going to want to go ahead and either turn your turn signal on or your hazards on to see how the light flashes, because I've done this on my Tundra before and I've inserted the light bulb backwards and it created a hyper flash. So we're going to go ahead and turn that hazard on just to see if we do get a hyper flash or not. So right now I do have my hazards on, and as you can see, it's not working right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bulb out, take it out just as so, and flip it around. And instantly, right when the bulb was inserted back, it's working. And as you can see, it is pretty dang bright. So we're going to go ahead and put this bulb back in its housing to see the actual final results. And just like how we removed it before, we're going to go the exact opposite steps. So we're going to go ahead and insert our light bulb. And as soon as it pops right in just like that, you're going to turn right until you can't turn right no more. Now you're going to go ahead and gently tug on that, and it's installed. You got rid of the Subaru OEM halogen light bulb and opted in for the Lasfit T3 series turn signal LED light. And from my point of view, I don't know if on camera it looks that bright, but it is pretty bright. And given that it is still kind of daylight, I can see it a lot better than I can with the other side. On the passenger side, we still just have our halogen light, but it's pretty much the same steps. There's nothing else to it. And there you guys have it. I told you that was the easiest install that you guys will ever have to do on your vehicle. And I was pretty mind blown of how easy and simple that was. And you guys notice we did not even use a single hand tool for this install. But there you guys go. Our 2025 Subaru Forester is equipped with some new LEDs. And if you guys forgot already, it is Lasfit's T3 series LED turn signal lights. I do have a discount code and link that I will list down below that you guys can save some extra money on. And it's not only for their T3 series lights, it's anything that's on their website. So go ahead and click that link and save yourself some money because you guys won't regret it. See you guys in the next one.